Jerry Zaslavsky, Sales Manager per il Sud Europa di Juki, lavora per un'azienda che opera a 360 gradi nel settore della produzione elettronica e che da anni collabora con Itronic. Due domande sulle attività, qui alla 12ª edizione dell'Open Day del distributore italiano. Hello Jerry, what's new at this workshop and what has Juki got for the market in coming months?
We are very happy to attend to this workshop. This is a well-known workshop being held for many years already. So we brought with us our well-known RS1R machine with a very flexible head for flexible production. A new machine appeared last year, the RX8, with a planetary head with 20 nozzles, which is a fast chip shooter going up to 100,000 CPH. And we are explaining also our newest model, which is the LX8, which is a combination of possibilities that you can have with the RS1, the flexible machine, and the planetary head, P20, as a fast chip shooter. And this new machine, LX8, can even exchange the heads and can be flexible after you already install this machine in the production place. We are very happy to have Itronic on board. Indeed, Itronic developed to one of our most important distributors in Europe. We are working for more than 10 years with them. We sold already together more than 300 machines in the market, in the Italian market. And more important is even that all the customers are happy. We have a very nice experience. We develop new markets, we search for new technologies together with Itronic. And me as a sales manager, I attend to a lot of customer meetings with Itronic sales and service employees. And it's always a pleasure to be at the customer. Itronic is a guarantee for success for Juki and for their other partners, for sure.
How have your relation been with Itronic over the last years? And what aspect would you like to further strengthen in this partnership?
Talking about new possibilities for us, the flexibility is a very important topic to be developed within especially European markets. So the speed is a point which we follow up the last years, but the flexibility is the most important part. And especially the applications like odd-shaped components, through-hole components, and through-hole technology will appear more and more due to labor shortage and the costs and the quality which is required on the PCB. So I think the THT production is one of the major topics for us in the near future.